Folks, welcome back to another BMW installation video. It's a bit breezy, so I hope you can hear me okay. I've got here a G chassis BMW 2 Series. I think it's a GT, not quite sure. So it's a brand new car, so it actually has what we call ID7, so that's iDrive 7, not iDrive 6 and not iDrive 8, which is actually on its way. Traditionally this has been very difficult to interface to, the reason being it's easy to take an analog connection from the output of the amplifier, but it doesn't always give us the best sound quality. What we're longing for as a digital integration system, which will link directly to a head unit or to a RAM module, and that will give us a digital output to send to our processor. But actually, this customer couldn't wait any longer. He's had the car for a little while now. He had a System 3 Plus with a party sub in his previous vehicle. We've removed all the equipment and he wanted to get it back into his new car, so that's what we've done. So when we do a D&re, we generally leave the speakers in the previous car because of the time involved in the soundproofing, etc., and we'll start with a new System 1. So that's exactly what we've done in here. We've soundproofed the doors and we've fitted a System 1. That's the new mid, the new tweeter, and this customer's opted to go into the standard locations, which we would normally do in a System 3 Plus. Of course, a System 3 Plus is made up of a System 1 with the processor, amplifier, etc. If it was the new System 3 Utopia, you would be seeing A-pillar builds with the Focal Utopia speakers in. Now, we have a 4 Series with that car, with that system in it, and we have a brand new G80 M3, which we're told will be with us in the next couple of months, which will also have the System 3 Utopia fitted. That will have iDrive 7, and we will be integrating to iDrive 7 the same way we've done here. So we have to keep the amplifier in place. There's a lot of jiggery pokery involved to get a good sound, but actually we've got a really good result from this car. So even with ID7 now, interestingly, we've got 2 new M3s coming. So we've got a G80 M3, which will have ID7. So we'll have that on demo, hopefully within the next 8 to 10 weeks. It's currently mid-July. But we've also got a G81. So it's the new M3 Touring coming as a demo car, which we expect to see in April, May. So we'll be getting rid of the G80, replacing it with G81. The G81 is going to have iDrive 8. So we're looking forward to seeing how we're going to integrate to that. So let's have a look at the back end of the car and see what we've done, because this customer has a party sub. As I say, it's existing equipment. So what we see there is the old Bit 1D, Bit 10D. Great little processor. It's been replaced with a Hertz H8, which is essentially the same product. We've got the multi-channel 705 amplifier there, running all the speakers in the car. So that's the underseat subs, which in this car are Audisons. The front components are rear components. Over there, we've got the JL Audio 600/1, which is a Class D 600 watt amplifier, and that runs the JL Audio 13 TW5 subwoofer. So in here, we've constructed a super slim enclosure. It's literally the depth of the drive with lots of internal bracing. We've got the box volume spot on. That's bolted through to a spare machine screw underneath the floor, so it's solidly fitted. You can't get it in and out, but we've actually put these in with machine threads, so if the sub needs to come out to remove the box, it's possible when we're not putting self tappers back into the MDF, which doesn't work very well. I've taken the boot floor out just to show you how it looks. The boot floor fits back in and the entire system is completely hidden. There's no loss of bass because with the subwoofer being underneath there, it comes through beautifully. So there you go. That's a G chassis car with ID7. We've fitted a System 3 Plus with a party sub. As I say, we've got an ID7 car on its way, so we'll be able to demonstrate this to you, as well as having a couple of other BMWs with ID6 and System 3 Pluses. So there you go, leading the way with BMW Audio Upgrades. If you're interested in a demo, just give us a shout, come along and have a listen to what we've got here to offer. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks very much for watching.